Born from the shadow of the sun, Shani's gaze has shaped destinies across the cosmos. Feared for his wrath, revered for his fairness, he is the celestial judge of karma. Do you know why Shani's gaze darkened the sun itself? Or why Hanuman rescued him from Ravana? Dive into the untold story of Shani Dev, the seventh Navagraha, and discover the power behind the planet Saturn. Watch the full story now and unlock the secrets of karma. Shani was born to Surya, the sun god, and Chaya, the shadow of Sanjana, Surya's wife. His birth marked the beginning of an extraordinary story. During her pregnancy, Chaya performed severe penance to Lord Shiva, fasting and braving harsh weather, deeply influencing the unborn Shani's spiritual strength. At Shani's birth, Surya was dismayed by his dark complexion, suspecting infidelity. He insulted Chaya and her newborn son with hurtful words. Shani, hurt by his father's unjust treatment, cast a powerful gaze upon Surya, darkening his form and causing an eclipse, a sign of celestial wrath. Seeking answers, Surya turned to Lord Shiva, who revealed Shani's powers and complexion were a result of Chaya's intense devotion and penance. Realizing his error, Surya apologized to Chaya and Shani, restoring peace in the family and embracing his son's unique destiny. Shani grew alongside his brother Yama. While Yama judges the dead, Shani became the celestial judge for the living, determining karma. Shani's gaze is impartial and transformative. He rewards the virtuous, punishes wrongdoing, and teaches life lessons about humility and perseverance. Shani ensures discipline, inspiring individuals to focus on righteousness, patience, and hard work, shaping them into better versions of themselves. Ravana, the mighty king, once imprisoned Shani in Lanka. Shani endured immense suffering under his captivity, waiting for a savior. During Hanuman's search for Sita in Lanka, he discovered Shani's imprisonment. With his unmatched strength, Hanuman freed Shani from Ravana's chains. Grateful for his freedom, Shani blessed Hanuman, promising that his devotees would be protected from the malefic effects of Shani's gaze. Devotees of Hanuman honor Shani Dev, especially on Saturdays, seeking his blessings for protection, discipline, and spiritual growth. Shani Jayanti, observed on Vaishak Vadya Chaturdashi Amavasya, celebrates Shani's birth and his role as the god of justice and karma. Known as the seventh Navagraha, Shani governs karma, ensuring that every action, good or bad, meets its rightful consequences. Despite his fearsome reputation, Shani is a fair god. His lessons emphasize accountability, guiding individuals towards self-improvement and enlightenment. Shani's gaze, though feared, is a teacher of humility and patience. It discourages arrogance and selfishness, steering individuals toward dharma. Through his challenges, Shani transforms lives, leading people to spiritual awakening and a greater understanding of the cosmic law of karma. Many stories in Hindu scriptures highlight Shani's role in shaping destinies, showing his unwavering commitment to cosmic justice. Shani's trials are seen as opportunities for growth. His lessons, though tough, help individuals evolve into stronger and wiser beings. Devotees often worship Shani to mitigate his malefic effects, seeking his guidance and blessings to overcome hardships and achieve success. Shani temples across India draw countless devotees who offer oil, black sesame, and prayers to appease the god of karma and discipline. Legends depict Shani's relationship with other gods, highlighting his wisdom and the mutual respect he shares with them in maintaining cosmic order. Shani is depicted riding a crow, symbolizing His impartial nature, the crow, a messenger, signifies vigilance, focus, and justice. His planet, Saturn, symbolizes discipline, delays, and karmic lessons in astrology, influencing individuals to reflect on their actions. Shani's transit through zodiac signs is known as Sade Sati, a period of transformation and self-discovery for individuals under his influence. Shani's lessons in humility and perseverance remind us that every challenge is a stepping stone to spiritual and personal growth. Worshippers believe that surrendering to Shani Dev's lessons brings peace, prosperity, and liberation from the cycle of rebirth. Through his impartial justice, Shani upholds the principles of Dharma, ensuring that the universe's balance remains intact. Shani Dev, though strict, embodies divine wisdom, reminding us of the eternal truth. Actions define destiny, and righteousness leads to liberation.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell for notifications of our newest videos. Make sure to like the video, comment your thoughts, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.